Good day, I'm John Delroy Gutierrez, Master of Science in Computer Engineering. Today I will report about a research article about robotic process automation, RPA, implementation drivers, evidence of selected Nordic companies. So the research article information, authors are Damian Kidziora, Arja Lipionen, Wojciech Piotrowicz, and Siorni. So the objective of this research article is to examine the key decision-making factors related to the implementation of RPA at Nordic companies, majority in the context of organizational setup and culture. So the main question of this article, there are 4 questions found in this article. So the number 1 question, what was the role of IT department in RPA development? And what is the decision criteria are used for RPA development? What are the risks related to RPA implementation? And how independently do software robots in process automation? So the methods of research used in this research article started in studying some research results about the capabilities and benefits and risks about RPA. The methods used is a combination of qualitative case study, basic qualitative study, and critical reasonings. It followed the interpretative and critical reasonings from some studies in 1991 and year 2001 and year 1980 by Kyle. In the entire research, so it also conducts a series of interviews that involves the 4 questions in the research article. So as I discussed earlier about the 4 questions in the research article. So the interviewees or the one that is being interviewed are employed in managerial expert roles related to RPA and represent 4 different organizations based on Finland. Then after all collecting the result of the interview, the author performs narrative analysis to formulate the results and discussion. So after collecting all the results of the interview, we will go to the findings or the results that was formulated during the after the interview. So findings number 1, findings suggest that RPA is mainly perceived as an operational tool to automate and improve internal process with a little consideration of strategic and external impact, including impact on customers and service quality. The research article also calculated at savings on labor costs. And other findings are the author concludes based on the result of the interviews that there was no uniform role by the department in RPA development. The benefits of RPA will increase the productivity through eliminating labor in highly repetitive tasks. Then the risks that identify is how to return to manual labor in case technology failed. So that are the findings of this research article. Then on this slide, I will show you the table. So this table consisting of the interviewee code, the position organization, which gives the information about the position of those who are interviewed, then the number of minutes interview was conducted. So the 2 interviews were conducted in person or face-to-face, and the remaining 6 were conducted online via Skype for Business. So the gap of the studies. It shows the gap of the study that the investigation was limited by time, location, and the number of case companies where the research was conducted. So that would be the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening, and God bless.